Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tri-tip. We'll start by understanding this flavorful cut of beef, which is known for its rich taste and tender texture when prepared correctly. Then, we'll go over the crucial preparation steps, including trimming and seasoning, to ensure your tri-tip is ready for cooking. Finally, we'll explore different cooking methods and the best way to slice it for maximum enjoyment. Let's get started. Proper preparation is key to a delicious tri-tip. First, trim any large pieces of fat, leaving about 1/4 of an inch to help with flavor and moisture. Next, apply your favorite dry rub generously, ensuring all surfaces are covered. Let it sit for at least 1 hour or even overnight. Before cooking, allow the tri-tip to sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes to ensure it cooks evenly throughout. This simple step makes a big difference. It is important to understand that there is no in-game cure for Arthur's tuberculosis. The developers intentionally designed the story around the irreversible progression of his illness, making it a core element of his character arc and the game's overarching themes. Players cannot find any special medicine, complete side quests, or make choices that will reverse or halt the disease's course. After cooking, resting your tri-tip is crucial. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring maximum tenderness. The tri-tip has 2 distinct grain directions, so identify them carefully. Slice against the grain in thin, 1/4 inch pieces to ensure every bite is tender. This final step is essential for a perfect eating experience. Serve immediately and enjoy your perfectly cooked tri-tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.